Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel. Today, I will show you the easiest way to install DeepSeek on a local computer, even with an old GPU like my RTX 2070. I can run the DeepSeek large model distilled version smoothly, and I will guide you step by step. What is DeepSeek R1? DeepSeek R1 is a cutting-edge AI model that has gained a lot of attention for its advanced capabilities and open-source accessibility. Compared to ChatGPT, it can run locally on limited hardware requirements. Running the full version of DeepSeek R1 requires high-end hardware, such as NVIDIA A100 GPUs. However, the distilled version, like the 6 available smaller models, can be deployed on a local computer with limited resources. By adjusting VRAM settings, we can even use a hard drive as virtual memory to compensate for lower VRM. Now let's get started. Step-by-step guide to install and run DeepSeek locally. 1. Install Ollama. Download Ollama from its official website, likely ollama.com, following the installation instructions for your operating system, for example, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. 2. Download DeepSeek models. Once Ollama is installed, use it to download the appropriate DeepSeek model for your hardware. If you have limited resources, choose models like 8B or 32B for optimal performance. 3. Set up WebUI Page Assistant. Install Page Assistant as a browser extension by visiting its homepage. Add it to your preferred browser to interact with DeepSeek more easily. 4. Configure virtual memory if needed. If your computer has limited VRAM, adjust virtual memory settings. Right-click on the desktop and select Advanced System Settings. Go to Preference, Virtual Memory. Allocate sufficient space, such as 100 GB initial size and up to 200 GB max. 5. Test the installation. Load your chosen DeepSeek model, for example, R132B in Ollama. Use Page Assist as the WebUI to interact with DeepSeek, ask a question, or run tasks. 6. Troubleshooting and considerations. Ensure you have enough disk space on an NVMe SSD for large models. Check that Ollama supports multiple models and that you can manage them efficiently. Testing DeepSeek's accuracy. Once installed, load the R132 model and test it by asking a simple question. Which number is bigger? 9.11 or 9.9? The free version of ChatGPT often provides the wrong answer, while DeepSeek R132B correctly explains the reasoning. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.